He sold out dances, lit up radios, and died staring down a hospital bill. How does a voice that fed the world go quiet with pockets empty? We face the math behind the music and the cost carried by Frankie Paul. This is One Drop Facts, where we share the stories like we're sitting down together. Ready? Let's roll. Born Paul Blake in Kingston, blind at birth but bright with song, he met Stevie Wonder, who told him, "Go sing." Early 80s, the dance hall cracked open. Worries in the dance, past the Tu-Sheng Peng, lovers' tunes that turned zinc roofs into choirs. He recorded everywhere, sometimes several albums a year, on paper that screams wealth. In reality, the royalty river barely trickled. He hardly received any royalties. So survival learned a new rhythm: dubplates. One-off customs, name calls, flipped lyrics, so one sound could plant a flag. Sounds paid once, then reaped years of advantage from exclusivity and the gate. The singer got a fee, not a share, a quick deposit, not a pension. Illness hit. By 2016, he'd lost part of his right leg to infection. Dialysis gripped the weak, 2 days at a time. April 2017, University Hospital of the West Indies. The bill climbed to about 1.5 million Jamaican dollars. His sister appealed. Friends, Wayne Lonesome among them, passed the hat. Careful truth in his final weeks. But his finances were desperate, royalties scarce, and one-time dub money had become a lifeline. In a transactional culture, those exchanges weren't equal. He traded voice for urgent cash. Others walked away with exclusive assets that kept winning clashes, filling venues, and, after his passing, grew even more prized. Here's the paradox. A singer crowned the Jamaican Stevie Wonder, who gave joy freely, couldn't buy security reliably. A scene that stacks speakers to the sky hasn't built a safety net for the artists who make those boxes thunder. We can change it. Tithe per dub plate, 5 to 15%, into an elders fund. Make audits and registries standard so hardly received royalties becomes history. Promoters, budget elders, non-negotiable. Sounds, give back like you stack boxes, loud and visible. Fans, buy official releases and post receipts with the same energy you post rewinds. Remember the man behind the math. Frankie Paul turned struggle into chorus and made hard days singable. You can still hear him in every pull-up. He gave us a map of joy. Make sure the map leads somewhere safe for the next singer. What hit you harder, the music or the math? Drop a heart for Frankie Paul and say how we protect our elders so the next legend ages with dignity. One drop, one love. Stay groovy.